Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. By the grace of God, we managed to re enter on Friday and took our TP as our first entry hit break even. Well, day by day, gold is getting into more and more complicated situation. Well, let's discuss the work plan. It is a clear line of descending trend unless it breaks 1903 major resistance, as we have discussed before in our previous signals. Price has also closed under it for 3 days in day 1 time frame, provided estimate 200 is well above it at 1906. So we are still in downtrend. There are two opportunities for Monday: a buy chance at 1883 and 85 at 0% level that can make a double bottom for a retracement towards upper Fibo levels we just mentioned. Then a good opportunity of sell at 1892, that is 38%, and 1894, that is 50% of the Fibo levels for the intraday. Keep in mind that only hurdle for the decline is week 1 Bollinger Band 44, that is at 1889, where the price is also closed. Breaking or rejecting will decide the movement for the rest of the month, provided there is a 3 black crow situation present in it. Price most probably bounce back after filling the gap of March 10th and to 13 2023, that was 1867 and 74, and may test 1903 one more time. Well, Mondays are usually slow days, so we may have much time to think and rethink or observe the market with more observations, and if there is any sudden change in it, we will update it. Thank you. Take care.